everyone has their own individual style when having their photo taken. Isn't that true? Well, it's time for graduation pics. Looks like somebody here doesn't really care about how his school pictures come out. Hey kid, you're up first. Oops. Andy was definitely not ready for this turn of events, but I guess the photographer also had a hard decision to make. Hold on a second. I need to do one little thing. Where's my notebook? I only have a few problems left. Our resident nerd misses no opportunity to solve a few geometry problems, even right before a photo shoot. Hey, where is he? Andy, let's get started. Yeah, just a sec. How many instruments does he have with him today? Oh, Andy, you never cease to amaze us. May I? Yes, sit down, please. Okay, just a sec. Why does he need a ruler in the photo? Can you get rid of that? Give you my ruler? Never. Okay, let's say you keep it. But at least smile. Now that's a smile. Mama's little cutie. Great, another slob. Yep. In this case, even a complete Photoshop rework won't be able to fix all of that. What? Now that's a shot. How'd that happen? Maybe it's a fluke of the camera? We need to take another one. Again, he looks handsome. I can't believe it. How on earth did you do that? What are you talking about? Forget about it. Don't worry. All right, I'm off then. And here's the photographer's next victim. Or is it the other way around? Give me a little smile. Let's say it together. Cheese. Ugh, why do I even try? A little bit less now. Oh no. Is her face spasming? Now those are emotions. Ugh, my heart can't take these pictures. You may go. Did we have a UFO landing? Can you pull your hood down? Okay. I think the hat needs to go, too. Okay. Is there a separate classroom around here for crying? I need to go sob silently ASAP. Bye. Come on, move. Oops. No. I'll only use one outfit, don't worry. But should I go with bananas? Or the green? Which one? I don't know. Let's go with the bananas. No, I have a better idea. That's more like it. It's good she doesn't have a winter parka with her. I mean, why does she need so many clothes in the photo? Now's the time for me to pose. I'm ready. Wow, great. Let's get started. Okay, that's not exactly a smile, Alice. And what is that supposed to be? Come on, what's going on? Stop. Can you just sit still and not pose? All right, let me pull myself together. I'll try. What a delicious elbow. Now that's a pic. What's wrong with her? Okay, keep calm. Gross. Well, that's a pretty picture. And I'm not talking about the photo. Hey, hi. Hello, what are you doing? Our cafeteria has amazing sandwiches. Kid, are you almost finished with that? Fine, I guess you'll just have to take it like that. This has turned into some sort of sandwich commercial. A photo like that is sure to be a family favorite.
Oh, what's that? Water? Fizzy. Love it.
Why did I agree to this? Let's hope my nerves settle down by the end of the day. I'll definitely beat this level now. Hey, what are you shooting at? What a lovely person. Smile? You're running the wrong way! Hey! Hey, young lady! Hello? Interesting. Does she not care that I'm running around? I'm talking to you! Does she have hearing problems or poor eyesight? Well, you know what? Let's play a little game. Is she talking to me? Just look at the camera first. Okay. Something simpler, Daisy? Ugh, everything's fine. You did great. Ugh, some service. Finally, someone normal. Smile, please. Jess feels so confident in front of the camera, she gives other models a run for their money. Great shots. What? That's all? No. I need more pictures than that. All right, I'll take a few more then. Now things are getting out of hand. It's so tiring working with such spoiled models. That's it, enough. Gotta make room for everyone else, and me too. Oh, hello. Are you ready? Hold on 1 second. Let me touch up my face. All right, okay. A little lipstick. Lily, you should have put your makeup on before the shoot. It's clear you're holding up both the photographer and the rest of the kids. I'm ready! Really? And what do you call heavy makeup? Why? Just why? Why did she need so much makeup on her face? Hey, hi, yeah, can we start? Well, hello there. Would you mind combing your hair a bit for me?
What? No need. Just gotta run my fingers through it and it's the perfect hairdo. All right, good.
No, everything is very, very bad. And in the pictures too. Ugh, you're done. You are free.
Cool. I'll be waiting for those pics.
What a slob. We always do everything together. We're besties. Girls, there should only be one person in the photo. Well, no. Actually, we always take our photos together. But not for school pictures. Let's do it one at a time. One at a time? All right, I have an idea. What if we're Siamese twins? Ugh, take it easy, take it easy. I mean, technically, you could just crop the photo twice. The door is over there.
Hey, wait a second. I'm just a bit nervous.
I hope he's not contagious. Hey, cut it out.
Yeah, that's it. I'm done fidgeting.
Freeze!
Everything itches.
That is an original pose for a photo. Get up and get out!
Oh, every time.
La 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 la. Hey, I'm over here. Can you turn off the music for a second? I wonder what she's listening to. She's gonna drive the poor photographer crazy with her dance moves. Catching a dancing schoolgirl on camera can be very difficult. It's just not clear who's in the picture. I can't do this anymore. I just want to go home. Aw, what a shy guy. Hey, it's okay. No need to be afraid of me. Try relaxing a bit.
Hey, is that a camera? Ah!
Did he just run away? Am I supposed to shoot an empty chair? You look great. But the gum isn't helping. Stop chewing for a sec, okay? Okay. Just one click of the camera and… Nope, Alice is back at it. Please stop. These two clearly don't see eye to eye. Great, nice pics. I really like these. Was there ever any doubt?
Oh, why was I woken up so early?
Hi. Wake up. Hey.
Huh? Oh, yeah, I'm here.
All right, now look at the camera. Come on, wake up.
I'm not asleep.
That's great. There's that empty chair again. Where is the sleepyhead? Is that really a suitable pose for the yearbook? Just crawl your way out of my sight. Looks like the sun is shining in the studio for somebody. Dear, could you take off your glasses, please? Sure, no problem. Do we finally have a normal person? Ugh, almost. And take those off too? What don't you like about them? That's much better. When did you manage to get those back on? Take off the stupid glasses. Why are you yelling? Let's try this again. This is impossible. What did I do to deserve this? I'll return the glasses later. Easy. Hi there. Finally a normal person. Okay, relax. What's the matter? With a face like that, it's best not to put a picture in your passport. Not one normal shot here? I just don't get it. It's fine. Bye. Have a good one. No, that's it. I just can't take it. I give up and my nerves give up too. From now on, no more school yearbook photo shoots. No photo shoots at all. I am out of here. You are all free. Did you see any of your friends in today's characters? Tag them in the comments and don't forget to share your thoughts on this video too.